Lust is destroying you silently. You don't even notice it, but it's stripping away your confidence, your focus, your peace. Every time you give in, you surrender more than just a moment. You surrender a piece of your strength. You've been tricked into believing lust is harmless, but it isn't. It's the quiet killer of men, and today you're going to see exactly how to defeat it before it destroys you. Lust doesn't present itself as an enemy. It shows up as desire, as comfort, as an escape. But that's the lie. Lust is a trap. It promises pleasure now, but the cost comes later. After the high fades, you're left hollow, guilty, and drained. Think about it. How many nights have you said just this once, only to feel empty the second it's over? How many times have you promised yourself, never again, only to find yourself back in the same cycle? Lust isn't just about what you see on a screen. It's about control. It's about your mind being hijacked. And here's the part most men won't admit. You can't build a powerful life while being chained to lust. Because if you can't say no to your impulses, you're not in control. You're a slave. You've tried to fight it before. You've told yourself you'd stop, but you relied on willpower alone. And here's the truth. Willpower is weak. It fades by the hour. It collapses when you're tired, when you're lonely, when no one's watching. By midnight, when the house is quiet, your phone is still in your hand. And once again you scroll, you slip, you lose. The problem isn't that you're weak. The problem is your system. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the strength of your systems. And your current system is designed for failure. Your phone is always within reach. You scroll late at night with no purpose. You never stop to ask yourself, why am I doing this? You've rewired your brain to seek dopamine from lust. That's why you keep coming back. To win, you don't just suppress it, you rewire it. Here's how you do it. Cut off the triggers. Block the sites. Unfollow the accounts. Lock down your access so temptation never even makes it to your eyes. Replace, don't just remove. When the urge hits, don't sit there and wrestle with your mind. Move your body. Get up. Do push-ups. Go for a walk. Journal. Call a friend. Train your brain to link the urge with action, not submission. Face your why. Lust is rarely about lust itself. It's a mask, a cover for loneliness, boredom, or pain. Ask yourself, what am I really running from? Because once you deal with the root, the craving loses its grip. And here's the shift you need to understand. Defeating lust isn't about never feeling temptation. It's about never being controlled by it again. Now picture this. You wake up clear. No shame, no guilt, no hidden double life. Just focus, strength, discipline. You're no longer at war with yourself. For the first time, you feel whole. When you defeat lust, your energy returns. Your confidence rises. You stop being a man led by impulse and start becoming a man who leads his life. You're not weak. You're not broken. You're untrained. But training starts now. Every urge is a chance to practice control. Every temptation is a test you can win. So hear me. Stop waiting. Stop hiding. Stop lying to yourself. You don't need another chance. You don't need more time. You need to decide. Right here, right now. If this hits you, don't just watch and scroll away. Subscribe to the Power Playbook and keep sharpening your edge. Because the real battle isn't out there. It's in your mind. And the good news? You can win.